What's the meaning of aside from? Aside from. Aside from.
Aside from. Aside from. Aside from is a phrase used to indicate that something mentioned is excluded from consideration or has no bearing on the matter at hand. It means excluding or apart from, and is often used to clarify that a particular item or issue is not relevant to the current discussion. For example, aside from his poor attendance record, John is a great employee. This sentence means that although John has a poor attendance record, he is still a good employee. In short, aside from highlights an exception or excludes a specific factor from consideration in a statement or discussion.